this project will not only reach the world, but will influence and touch the lives of many. So yeah, we thank God for this.
How was the recording experience for you guys?
I would say it was nice. I really enjoyed it.
Was it?
Yeah, it was powerful.
Was it something new?
Yeah. For me, I could say something. Yeah.
What does this album recording mean to you?
Well, it definitely means a lot because it gives us a chance to showcase our talent. You know, it means a lot.
For me, it's a start. Like it shows that we're going somewhere.
Yeah. There are greater things to come. So yeah.
We always wanted to do it. We didn't have a plan. We didn't have someone who can or could support us.
Yes.
You know, yeah. Since we found that the prophet, we are really blessed. We are really blessed. We saw. I don't know. I don't have words to explain it, but it means a lot.
It's just so
especially
big.
to Bheki. It means a lot because he wanted to do this recording, but you know,
Money and
yeah. But I'm glad we
did it.
Yeah.
Was it your first time or did you do this before?
It was my first time.
Your first time. And yours?
It was not mine. I've recorded before, but then this time it was different.
Different.
Yeah, the experience was totally different.
It was,
Yeah, really good.
yeah, it's professional.
What is your favorite song as an individual?
It's KOTHI, KUSAYO. That one.
Yeah, we need more of you.
Yeah.
Mine is God is Love because in that song we show appreciation for what God has done for us. Yeah, the miracles that He's performed in our lives. So it's basically us thanking Him. So that's my favorite song. Yeah.
That's nice.
My favorite is God is Love.
God is Love. And yours?
I also love this song. God is Love.
Any of you have another one that's your favorite?
Is it?
I love that song.
It really touches my heart.
How do you feel when you sing?
Well, I feel liberated. I feel that singing helps me escape from the pressures of the outside world. It's like I'm in my own world. Nobody's there, just me.
Me too. I feel out of this world. Like music is my soul. So I feel I feel blessed when I sing.
Yeah. I'm very happy that I can sing right now. I can perform. I can worship Him.
Feel so alive.
Just check sing with, see if you can hear.
Hi, I'm Spongile, and I'm a vocalist. I sing soprano. Well, I'm overwhelmed actually. I don't know what to say. I'm very happy. Thank you.
In your eyes, what are the group's strongest and weakest areas?
I'd say our strongest areas that we, hence you said we are a group, we work together in everything that we do, and we make sure that every individual within the group feels welcome.
We've got strong vocals. Yes, that's our strongest area.
And our weaknesses, I'm not quite sure. Maybe somebody else, I don't know.
We don't communicate.
That's the
We lack
weakest.
communication. Yes. Yeah.
And do you think you can work on your lack of communication?
Yeah, we talked about it, and we have frequent meetings. Yes, so yeah. We're working on it.
For the band, the whole band, where do you see yourself in 2 years?
Hey, not here in South Africa, all over the world.
You want to travel?
Yeah, the vision of the band is that we're gonna travel the whole world, delivering God's message, making sure that people are blessed with our music, worshiping Him in every country, making people aware that God really exists. And we want to be an example to people that if you stick by Him and do everything according to His word, eventually he's gonna answer. He'll never forget you.
America.
Yeah. I see myself in the radio stations, television, and shows everywhere.
Yeah, working with international artists. Yes, yeah.
What kind of person is Bheki to you?
I'll say he's a kind person.
Yeah. He's like a brother to me. I know, like, sometimes we fight a lot, but then when I have problems of anything, I go to him and he solves them for me. When I need money or anything, I go to him.
He's humbled, slow to anger. He's very kind. Yeah, he's loving.
And he is your leader?
Yeah.
Is it?
And he's very stubborn though. I will have that. He's very stubborn. Yeah, but most of all, he's understanding. He's a fun person. He's caring. Yeah.
Like to talk to him about anything?
Yeah, we talk to him. We feel free. Yeah, we're comfortable. Yes.
It's simple to adapt from what he is. Because as you say, he's a very good guy. He's understanding. He has respect. He treats you well. So you wouldn't say you don't want to follow someone with that kind of a personality, someone who presents that kind of a role. You understand? So yeah, I would say not knowing. I would say yes. I would follow.
And my last question is, how can your fans get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with us through our Facebook page for now.
Okay, what is the details so that they will know?
Peculiar Worship Generation. You can just search it on Facebook, you'll get it there.
Okay. Peculiar Worship Generation.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. How and when did Bheki start music?
I started music in 2005 when I got saved. I liked playing keyboards. Yeah, I've been playing keyboards for many churches. So I realized that I have a calling of singing. I have a calling of preaching to people through notes, through music. So I started singing after discovering that I can play keyboards. Yes.
And who are your musical influences?
My musical influences, I listen to guys like Ngube Gombata, like Dr. Tumi. Overseas, I enjoy listening to Cake Franklin. Yeah.
How did you meet with this band, this specific band?
We started last year. Yeah. So, but the band guys, I've been knowing them for quite a long time. We were playing at the same church, we were singing at the same church, and so we met at church, basically.
What does this album mean to Bheki?
This album means fresh beginning, new beginning, beginning of great things. Because I've been long anticipating it. I've been going up and down, trying to get sponsors and all those things. I've been in and out. But I thank God that this year He introduced me to the man of God, Prophet Mavuto. He's the one who made it possible for me to get this opportunity to do this album. So this album means a lot to me. Yes.
What inspired this album?
What inspired this album is basically people outside. There are some people who can't listen to preachers. They listen to music. So what inspired this album is because of a lot of the songs in it, they are scriptural. They are from the Bible. So I'm preaching to the people via music, via notes. Yeah, so that's
people
what.
Love music.
Yeah.
On this album, which one is your favorite song?
My favorite song is "My Heart Gets Filled with Joy," because it says the way He changed my life. My heart gets filled with joy. The way He held my mother, my heart gets filled with joy. That song means a lot to me.
It sounds like it's about your life.
Yeah, it's about my life because He changed my life
What do you expect listeners to experience from this album?
I expect the listeners to expect fire-filled songs, like spirit-filled songs. Because, like, let me say, 99% of the songs, they are original songs. They never hear them anyway, but they will begin to hear them with this album. So they must expect power. Power, yes.
Love.
Power and love, because it's most based on love. There's a song that says God is love. There's a song that says thinking about God's love. There's a song that says Akasoze Angishiye, which means he'll never leave nor forsake me. So this album is inspired by love, the love of God.
And what is next for you? Are you going to stay here? Going overseas?
Yeah, what's next is that we'll be going up and down, making sure that everyone in the country, in the continent and worldwide, everyone gets this copy. Because like seriously, they need to hear the songs that are in this copy. Yes.
Worldwide tour.
Worldwide.
How can fans get in touch with you, Bheki?
They can get in touch with me. I have a page. My page is Bheki Jali, #my musical journey on Facebook. And we also have a page for the group, because in this album it's me featuring the group. So they can also like Peculiar Worship Generation page on Facebook. And I'm also found on Instagram, I'm Bheki Jali. And then on Twitter, I'm still Bheki Jali. And then on WeChat, I'm Bheki Jali. They can search me there and they'll get me there.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Come on, Peculiar Worship Generation, my heart was filled with joy. Say.